Hi, it's Ron from Ron Austin Law, and I have an update for you on your CPAP case. I know the process has taken a long time, and I know you're a little frustrated. But I have some good news. The end is near. Today, I want to give you a roadmap, a GPS guidance, if you will, on what processes are left in order to finish it. Today on our roadmap, we'll have 3 stops. Our first stop, why did you get a deficiency notice? Stop 2, what you can do to fix that deficiency notice. And 3, probably the most important stop, is when can you expect your money? Starting with stop 1. Why did you get a deficiency notice in the first place? You probably received a letter, an email, and/or a phone call from our office informing you that you received a deficiency letter. Understand, we at Ron Austin Law have not made this determination. The settlement administrators have made a determination that your submission is deficient. Settlement administrators were appointed by the court. They're a group of medical experts that are going through each and every one of the claims and determining whether or not they qualify for payment. And so they've made a determination that you have a deficiency notice, and that's why you receive a letter. Or that your CPAP machine doesn't qualify. But they don't have proof that you actually used the CPAP machine. We can fix that. At this stage, we can turn in more medical records. And if we don't have medical records, that doesn't mean that your case is over. It does mean that the court needs more records for proof. On the second part of our roadmap, how do we fix that problem? Well, that's easy. If the court has not accepted your current injuries, we have to then provide them more information, that is through your doctor, more medical records that you have a lung or pulmonary related injury. 2, and the second part of that is the settlement administrator made a determination that your CPAP machine was not a qualifying machine and/or you never used a CPAP machine. That's easily fixed as well. You can provide proof that you in fact use a CPAP machine through photographs of the CPAP machine and its serial number. Notes from your doctor indicating when he prescribed the CPAP machine. Notes from your doctor indicating that you've used the CPAP machine since 2015. All of those are scenarios that we can provide proof that you actually used the machine. The last part, and the most important part along this roadmap, is when can you expect your money? Unfortunately, we don't control that process. The settlement administrators are a little bit behind. We're being told late September, early October into November is when we should tell our clients to start expecting some dollars. What I'm attempting to tell every client is probably expect money late 2025, early 2026, just because there's a process and it takes some time. Here at Ron Austin Law, we don't control that process. We don't make a determination of how much money you're getting, when you're getting, if you're getting. All we control is informing you of when the court will start releasing the money and when the court makes a determination of whether or not you're actually getting money and how much you're getting. We're doing our level best to keep you informed, submitting all the paperwork that we need to submit to make sure we put you and your case in the best position, staying diligent to ensure you're satisfied with your settlement. Take this opportunity to thank you for allowing us to represent you. Take this opportunity to thank you for being cooperative. Here at Ron Austin Law, whatever we do, we make it count. Thank you again, and stay tuned.